What's up, guys? Crypto Renegade here with another video for you. So on this video, I wanted to explain to people how they can shop on Amazon with Bitcoin. And not only Bitcoin, you can do it with hundreds of other cryptocurrencies as well. So a lot of people don't realize that you can do this already because when you go through the normal Amazon site, like you see here, you don't actually see a checkout or a payment option for Bitcoin. Before, the workaround or the loophole you would have to do is go to Bitrefill and buy a gift card. So with this website, Bitrefill, it's actually a pretty good website as well, but you could buy as many gift cards as you want with hundreds of retailers directly with Bitcoin, and then from there, obviously, you take the gift card and then go spend it. However, that's not what we're going to talk about today. So with this method, basically, not only are you going to shop, not only are you able to shop on Amazon directly, but you get to save anywhere from 15 to 33% on every purchase you make. And how is that done? It's done directly through a site called purse.io. So how this site works basically is it's a platform that's built on top of Amazon, okay? And what it does is it connects directly buyers and sellers. And what does that mean? It basically means that if let's say you have gift cards, Amazon gift cards that you haven't used yet, and you want to trade it for Bitcoin, what you can do is you can come on this site, you can place an order on someone's behalf with your gift card, and then when that order arrives at that person's house, you get Bitcoin in exchange. You can also get Bitcoin Cash, and there's some other cryptocurrencies that you can receive as well. And you're basically just performing a service of buying something for someone on Amazon using your gift card, and then in exchange, you get Bitcoin directly. So that's one method of how you can earn Bitcoin if you don't have any cash, but if you just have a gift card and you would rather have Bitcoin than the gift card, which is most people. The other way are people that are shopping. So if you're on the site, I'll just do an example here. Let's say I want to buy a TV, right? So let's look at this in. Let me go back. Let's say I just choose this first TV, this 40-inch TV with Roku built in, okay? So if I go to Amazon site directly, the cost for that is $179.99. The default price here is 5%, and you can go all the way up to 33% off using Bitcoin. So how does that work? So let's say I want to go ahead and add this to my cart. Let me go ahead and view my cart here. I go ahead and hit proceed to checkout, and it says $9 savings. So that's 5% as a default. So what I can do here is using the slider is I can use this discount and do anywhere from save 5%, which means I'll get it in 2 to 4 days, or I can start scaling it depending on if I'm willing to wait a little bit longer. I can go anywhere all the way up to 33%. Now, I did this personally over Christmas, since I was being paid directly in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. I used this to buy a bunch of my Christmas gifts for my family and for my girlfriend, that kind of thing, using Bitcoin Cash directly. And I did it ahead of time using the 33% off, and I saved hundreds of dollars. So not only was I able to spend crypto directly on the site, but I was able to save a bunch of money on top of it. So depending on what your time frame is, you can choose the sliding scale on how soon you want it, and depending on how soon you want it, 5 to 8 days, 4 to 6 days, 3 to 5 days, you can choose your discount, and you can get up to 33% if you're willing to wait anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks, if you're not in a rush to get it. So that's super convenient. Just to show you, I've done this, in the past. I had some previous orders. Let me go here. So I've already saved over $228 over a couple of transactions, and these were pretty big transactions. So it's very simple to use. I mean, you basically go through, you check out what it will do. Let me just go back here real quick. So let's go back to the TV example, and if I add this to cart, view the cart. Let's say this is 2. So let's say I only want to wait 4 to 6 days and I want 15% off. So I save $27. I just hit continue and then choose my address, do ship to this address. And then when you proceed to payment, what it will do is it'll pull up a QR code. So basically, if you're wanting to do, send a Bitcoin payment from your phone, you can. You can do Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Zcash. If you want to do a credit card, you can. You can still get the discounts. Or you can do other cryptocurrencies, and it pulls up like a list of over like 200 different ones that you can do. So what I typically do here is I will go and they give a buffer based on the fluctuating rates of your coin at that time. So basically what you do is you just scan the address and off you go. What it will do is we'll send you a confirmation that someone's picked up the order, and then you will receive an email confirmation with the shipping order. And then once you're satisfied and the item arrives at your house, you can then release the Bitcoin. It's basically held in escrow, so to make sure that you are getting exactly what you ordered, everything's good, there's no issues. And I've tested this out on multiple occasions and verified that it is good and that it does work. So that's kind of a 2-for-1. Not only do you get to buy things on Amazon that you're probably already going to buy anyway, so for holidays or for everyday use, but you can use Bitcoin and you can save anywhere from 5 to 33% depending on how long you're willing to wait. So you can definitely save a lot of money. And this is certainly a real use case of using Bitcoin in the real world as a currency and exchanging it for goods and services. There are some other, like Chrome extensions and other things that will allow you to go on Amazon.com directly and do it, but those are in beta and I haven't really tested those yet. So I'm not very confident in the ability of that yet. Perhaps as there's more development done and there's more verification done and quality reviews on that, maybe I'll give that a test out. But that's just paying on Amazon directly. With Purse.io, if you create the account, you're getting the discounts. So you're incentivized to use cryptocurrency instead of, and you're being rewarded for using cryptocurrency, and it happens flawlessly. So that's it. In today's video, I just wanted to give everyone, show them the best option for using Bitcoin on Amazon.com. If you liked this video or found it helpful or useful in any way, please give it a thumbs up. If you liked anything in specific or particular, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and then please subscribe to the channel as I have market updates and other instructional and tutorial videos as well. So thank you, and I'll see you guys next time. Crypto Renegade out.